to show what happens when we're plugged in directly into the Niner Systems box. And yeah, I mean, this box, when it's plugged in directly, it seems like there's no noise issue, no nothing like that. It really seems like all the noise issue starts happening once we plug in this intercom. So we'll plug in. So again, this is me just plugged in directly through my headset. Pretty good quality, right? Pretty good. All right, as soon as I plug in the intercom, the noise floor went crazy. So now let's just try unplugging the signal recording. Is that out? Who knows? There's no noise floor anymore, I don't know why. Maybe this wasn't like plugged in properly? Yeah, but if this is the case, well, I guess I have that noise. I have a noise. So I have a suppressed system on this. So it's just need to suppress. Okay, yeah, noise floor goes crazy. So, alright, let's just now, let's go try plugging in directly again. Noise floor looks pretty good. It's not crazy, right? I'm gonna go double check again, just to be totally sure. I'm gonna go into filters. I'm just gonna delete it entirely. Yep, no problem with that, right? And now as soon as I plug in, the phone, crazy noise floor. Not really sure why. And you can just hear it, right? I'm sure you can. Let me see what happens if I unplug the microphone, recording. You can see noise floor still goes crazy. And the only thing you can really do is hit the isolate mode. Maybe that makes sense, right? We're like isolating ourselves from the other interface. Maybe if we were plugged in here, it'd be better. Maybe. I don't really know what is happening, especially since. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense to me. But you can definitely see that this noise floor is certainly pretty high as soon as you plug it into anything. So I don't know whether that's an AC-2EX issue or what it is, but definitely something. Alright, thanks for watching.